Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to join a class in Google Classroom in just a few simple steps. So stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. First of all, go to googleclassroom.com on your browser or simply open your Google Classroom app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in. As you can see, I have already downloaded it and I have already logged into my account. To join the classes, you will see the plus icon at the bottom right. Simply click on it. After clicking it, you will see the two options. One is called join class, another is create class. Simply click on join class. After clicking here, it will ask the class code. Now enter the class code your teacher gave you. Make sure there are no spaces and the code is typed exactly how it was shared. This is my code. After entering the code, simply click on join. At the top right, you will see the option called join. Simply join. And boom, you are in the class. And that's how easy it is to join the class in Google Classroom. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and see you in the next one.